feed. News update for today, Wednesday, 22nd of April. Happy spring to everybody. I hope you're all enjoying the rain and stuff you're getting up north, all the sun and cold we're getting down south. Very fun stuff. So, sorry, I was supposed to cut off like that. That's all right. Got some good news articles today. Got good news articles every day. Kind of say the same thing, but there are interesting stuff. There is interesting stuff every day to talk about. So let's get into it. First, our salute to my fellow business owners, all the employees, all the lovely folk. Keep the lights on and everything happening for all of us. Appreciate you. First article, first news topic today is Windows Update breaks small business software. So you may not know this, but this is an everyday, daily thing that we deal with, which is updates breaking things. Happens all the time. And you might say, well, okay, how often do they update? Well, we've mentioned it once or twice here on the old Nerds News, and that is that these updates come when you leave your computer on, so we never know what it's going to break. We do try our hardest to cater the installed patches that come out, at least from Microsoft, so that we don't push out stuff that we know is going to try and break our client software. So we do manage this. And if you have our IT services, you do have that going on for you. If you don't, and you're just running with the Windows updates, it could just, break stuff. The software that this is affecting is ERP and accounting software like Sage 50 and QuickBooks Desktop. So those specific things, if you're running those, you might want to get with us and make sure that we are, not pushing that patch out. The teams already knows about it, so we're not pushing it out. But we do have to push it out sooner or later. 25% of small businesses have reported issues with Windows 11 24H2. So that's specific patch Windows update that went out, and about 1 in 4 computers or businesses has had something break. So that's the story there. We'll stay on top of it for you, make sure it doesn't break any of our customers' computers. Story number 2, CISA warns small manufacturers about IoT security risk, Internet of Things. So this is a good one for you to be aware of if you're a manufacturer. And this is covering what they call human machine interfaces, or HMI panels, and SCADA systems, SCADA systems, that many small manufacturers use. I will tell you that a lot of the stuff that you've got in your plant floor is not hardened, never has been, never even considered. So you've got to be careful. We do our best with firewalls, protecting all the computers around it. But it's kind of like having a person with an autoimmune disease hanging out with a bunch of what you consider to be healthy people and hoping that they don't get sick. Those devices, those HMIs and SCADA systems, have no immune system. The way we protect you is by having everybody around those devices be as safe as can be. So if you've got them and you don't think we know about it or we haven't discussed it, you've got to let us know that these devices are out there. And we do try and monitor and track this, so we do our best. But a lot of times stuff happens that we don't know about on your networks, and that's never a good thing. 40% of manufacturers have experienced cyber incident in the past year. 85% of small manufacturers use these old HMI and SCADA systems. So odds are you got something sitting out there. Get a TBR schedule and we'll take a look at it. Topic number 3. This is Anthropic cuts Claude API pricing for small businesses. This is good news. I think it's an older version of Claude, but that's fine. Sonnet 3.7, cutting token cost roughly 40%. So you can rack up massive bills with Claude. That reminds me, I gotta look at my API. I think I got a spend limit. I better have. Really quickly, these tokens can burn through fast, especially if you're using Claude Code, but you wouldn't normally use Claude Code. This is going to be like document generation and stuff through programs that you've connected up through the application, the API interface. What this basically means is about $150 will be saved on approximately 1,000 documents processed. I mean, that's really kind of hard to put into your brain, but if you're doing a document a day, you know, you're 40% off. Team's doing it. Let's say you've got a team of 50 doing 50 documents a day, 2,500 documents. So that's, you know, $300 a year you're not going to be spending. So that's good. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know of any of our customers that are using Claude API. And the other good thing is when one of these guys lowers their price, everybody else follows suit. So that's a good thing too. I believe for Claude, I think we had earlier this week or late last week, we had an article that good friends at OpenAI are also lowering their price. If you think you may need to or may have an opportunity to save some money by having an AI do some document processing and you want to see how we can make that happen, it's not launched yet, but anybody who wants to be a beta tester of Al, the AI expert, you know, I've written some pretty impressive applications, and I think I can help you. I don't think. I know I can help you. And if you want to get into that with me and are interested in how we can enhance your business by writing some software, getting some APIs to these AIs, saving you, making your employees more productive, I'd love to have that chat. Our quick hits: the FTC escalates AI accountability enforcement. The FTC is now scrutinizing small businesses using AI tools for customer or employee decisions. I think we talked about this. Look out, here it comes. Big Brother is telling you how to use your AI. And then, of course, picking on hardware costs, we got to get moving on those new upgrades sooner than later, because over the next 12 to 24 months, pricing is not going to get cheaper. So move today. That's today's show. Really appreciate everybody. Appreciate that you watched the show. Hope you learned something. Share it with somebody. Get it on your iPhone so you can listen to it while you're driving home. And I'm Albert Steed, Chief Nerd at Advanced Computer Solutions. Really appreciate everybody, and we'll talk to you all soon. Bye.